Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the 72-can large rolling cooler, a versatile and leak-proof insulated soft cooler bag with wheels and a handle that's perfect for beach trips, camping, or any outdoor adventure. This cooler comes in a sleek dark gray color and boasts a sturdy design with a detachable cart featuring an extra-wide base, all-terrain wheels, and a telescoping handle that extends up to 37.7 inches, making it easy to pull for everyone. One of its standout features is the detachable design, allowing you to separate the cooler into two insulated bags for versatile use as lunch bags or daily coolers, ensuring long-lasting durability with its tear-resistant material. With dimensions of 12.9 by 10.6 by 37.7 inches, this rolling cooler offers ample space with two main insulated compartments, an insulated front pocket, two side mesh pockets, and an inside mesh pocket, perfect for packing all your essentials like food, drinks, and even medicine. The cooler's leak-proof and insulated interior features food-grade EVA with seamless hot pressing, ensuring 100% leak-proof performance, while its 4-layer high-density insulation keeps contents warm or cold for extended periods. And finally, rest assured with SDLINR's after-sales guarantee, as they stand behind their product, accepting responsibility for any quality issues and providing professional support. So whether you're planning a day at the beach or a weekend camping trip, this rolling cooler is your go-to solution for keeping your refreshments perfectly chilled. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.